Can you really grow zucchini from seed to harvest in a small home garden? Let's follow the journey step by step. Using compost tea fertilizer to promote vegetative growth. Compost tea tutorial available on our channel. Covering the pot to protect the plant from high temperatures. I added an organic fertilizer made from banana peels and eggshells, rich in potassium and calcium for healthy fruits. The full tutorial is available on our channel. Just 45 days after planting the seeds, we harvested our first zucchini. From a tiny seed to a fresh harvest in just 45 days. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Oasis of Plant Stories for more plant journeys.